Welcome to Irie Kitchen. We have some lovely food cooking. We have some fried plantain and dumpling with ackee and saltfish down in the morning. Welcome to the Irie Kitchen. We have some lovely food cooking. We have some nice fried plantain with ackee and saltfish in the morning. And you have some curry porridge for your drinking and some nice curry over there so eating. And we have some rice and peas cooking. And you have that early in the evening when we send you in a Irie Kitchen. We have some nice food cooking. We have some fried plantain and dumpling. You have it for your breakfast down in the morning. When we dey up in a Irie Kitchen. We have some nice food cooking. We have some ackee saltfish and dumpling with some fried plantain down in the morning. Some nice curry goat over there so it's stewing. And the nice rice and peas over there so bubbling. Want some caramel porridge down in the morning. And you come back in the evening now we have everything. Where we dey up in the Irie Kitchen.
We have some lovely food here cooking. Come down your stuff with the sweet dumpling and your Irish mash and your jam pumpkin.
Where we dey up in a Irie Kitchen.
Till the night we down your soda fight and a keep up this fight, yo. We have some curry on the base. When I go top up, we just a show up the base. Cause a fool we love, a fool we a bring. Come down and buy lunch and that's how the things sink, yo. Irie
Kitchen. We have some lovely food cooking. We have some nice fried plantain, ackee and saltfish with some fried dumpling. When we sit down in the
who cook the food?
We who vibes in a lounge. We who come round the party. That are we. Down an Irie Kitchen. That are what you find. We are what them ask. Who cook the food? We who bring the vibes in a lounge. We. Which part?
Sorry,